I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job over 5 years ago and make my entire yearly salary in a month without doing all these extroverted things and listening to hustle bro marketing advice, but in a quiet, cozy, feminine way, because they are introverted friendly ways of being visible and paid online. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about how I make money online as a shy introvert. While you might think I'm not an introvert because I'm showing my face here on YouTube, but I most certainly am. I'm an only child, I love my own company, I hate small talk, I hate networking, and I absolutely hate being on all the time. That's why it took me 10 years to start being visible and showing up online. I'm shy and I didn't want my face to be on camera. So when I started posting on Instagram, I didn't speak in my videos, just text on screen videos and carousel posts. And I was still able to grow to 20,000 followers and build an email list of over 1,000 subscribers while earning passive income. And this was in 2021. It's even more possible today because the online landscape has completely changed. There are so many opportunities that don't require you to be constantly on or to go viral. So if you're also an introvert like me and you're dreaming of making passive income online from your living room or in bed in a soft marketing way without being everywhere and posting constantly, it's time to clock in because I'm about to share exactly how I did it. Classes in session. When I started my online creator business, I realized that visibility doesn't mean being constantly on, but visibility means being seen by the right people at the right time with the right message. When I was posting text on screen videos and carousels, people weren't following me because I was the most charismatic, I had the highest energy, or because I was the most entertaining. It was how I was showing up on camera without me having to say a word. My style, my hair, my makeup. It was what I was saying and my perspective in my text on screen, my carousels, and in my captions. That's what caught people's attention. That's what drew people in. My words resonated with them and made them feel seen, which made them want to know more about me, follow me to keep up with my future posts, and join my email list for more insight, more perspective, and more knowledge. And you can do that quietly and strategically because here's what I believe. Being yourself is the most profitable strategy there is. You don't have to force yourself to be an extrovert. You don't need to force yourself to fit into a box that drains your energy. What you need is to know where to show up, know what to say, and have the right system. Systems that allow you to sell without being too salesy. Systems that allow you to nurture your audience without having to manually send out emails every single day. System that allows people to book a call without the constant back and forth. And systems that do the work for you while you rest. This is where tools like GoHighLevel come into play. More on them later. But let's first start off with where you should be showing up as an introvert. Alex Catoni built a multi-million-dollar copywriting educational business without being a lifestyle influencer or a viral creator. Contrary to what people might tell you, you don't need followers to make money online, but you do need an audience, even as an introvert, because you might have an amazing product, you might have a great service, but if you don't have anyone to sell it to, how are you going to make money? Especially if you don't want to have to invest into ads. I read a quote that said, all you need is 1,000 loyal fans, because the idea is not to be famous, it's to make money. So all you need to do is to identify the introvert friendly platforms to show up on and how you want to show up on them. I've always loved watching long form content. I love sitting down with somebody for 15 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour while they're teaching me something, inspiring me, or even just entertaining me. So YouTube was always going to be a platform that I show up on. In the beginning, I experimented with different formats, vlogs, show and tell, and talking head videos. And what aligned with me as an introvert was just sitting down and talking to the camera in the comfort of my own home home in my closet and pretending like I'm at lunch with my friend and she's asking me for some advice. From just my personal experience, I don't need to know everything. I don't need to be an expert on everything. My YouTube videos are very low effort, very minimal editing. I might add an additional image or video here and there just to help me make a point, but honestly, I don't even do that all the time. And I decided to post on Instagram because at that time, that was the short form platform I was consuming the most. And again, I showed up in a way that felt doable as an introvert. But now 5 years later, I'm now more comfortable in front of the camera and I've introduced talking head videos on my short form platforms as well. I realized that as an introvert, the issue is not showing up on camera or being visible. The issue is being perceived, not wanting to have a lot of eyes on you, not wanting to be the main character. But there are millions or now even billions of people who are posting on social media. So you're not going to have this huge spotlight on you, especially if you have the right mindset of that social media is just a vehicle to what you actually want to achieve, that you don't want to be an influencer or internet famous. So I would say the introvert friendly platforms are YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn. I'd even argue that Instagram is also an introvert friendly platform. It's about identifying what platforms you're not going to feel exposed on, but most importantly, the format that you're going to create the content, how you're going to be showing up, and making sure that it's aligned with you and your introverted nature. When it comes to actually making money on social media, the first one is something that a lot of people sleep on. I found a few resources that I was already using in my life and in my business that my audience would find helpful. I signed up for the affiliate program, got a special link, started promoting it by actually talking about the product on my social media and having a funnel at the back end of my email marketing system that we're also selling the product. For example, I'm in the GoHighLevel affiliate program, who I've spoken about in this video, in other YouTube videos, and on my other social media platforms, sharing that instead of having different systems for your website, your email marketing, your booking calendars, and your funnels, having a one-stop shop like GoHighLevel, which has all those systems inside, so you're not managing a gazillion systems at the same time. I then share my special link where if you use it, you'll get a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days. And if people sign up using my link, I then get a commission off that sign up. And that's what affiliate marketing essentially is. It's basically promoting somebody else's product and getting a percentage of the commission. People will just throw up some links on their Linktree or their Amazon storefront and then call it a day with no strategy behind it. But this is something that you can double down on as an introvert. You want to make sure that it's something that you've gotten results with yourself, whether it's a skincare product, pot that you've used to cook with, even a business tool. That way, when you're talking about it and promoting it, it's authentic because you actually know what you're talking about. It's a really great strategy for introverts, especially if you don't want to have to create a product of your own. I would also suggest, if you already have a website or you're planning to have a website, having a resource page, sharing what you're loving, what you're using, and why. It's just a great organic way of increasing your affiliate sales. The next way of making money online as an introvert is by using something that a lot of people talk about, and that's selling digital products. But I'm gonna let you into a little secret. It's not just as simple as making a digital product and becoming rich. There is a soft but intentional strategy behind it. What you most definitely should not be doing is creating a digital product and just putting it on Etsy, because it's very saturated, and even if you have a great niche, your idea will be stolen by other sellers or big companies like Temu and sold for a third of the price that you asked for. You also run the risk of your product being taken down by Etsy because it's against their policy, even if there are 50 or 100 other sellers selling the same thing. What you want to do instead is to create a simple landing page with GoHighLevel, for example, connect it to a checking out page and start collecting money, even if it's through PayPal. If you want to know the exact tools that you need in the beginning when you're making passive income online, I have a whole video about that and you can watch that somewhere here, because honestly, you don't need to pay a lot or have have a lot of tools for you to start making money online. The digital product that you can create can be a journal, a template, a guide, an ebook. My first digital product that actually made me money was my feminine productivity template. And I will never forget where I was when I made my first sale. I was in the grocery store after dropping my daughter off at school. And as I'm doing my weekly shop, I just checked my emails and somebody had bought my template. Her name was Laura. She proved to me that I could do this. I could make money online and have a cozy feminine business. So start with something simple. Think about all the advice that you're always getting asked from your friends and family. Or if you're already on social media and one of your posts is getting a lot of engagement, turn this post into a guide, an ebook, or a workbook that's going to help your audience with something. And you want to price it to what the actual value of the product is, because people don't buy the product, they buy the transformation, which means you have to be able to clearly articulate what that transformation is and what the value is that they'll get from that digital product. And you do that through soft marketing. You show up on the introvert friendly platforms you've chosen, posting the same content and then adding a call to action in the caption to say, if you want to know more about dash, comment visible, for example, and I will send you the link to my digital product. And if you want to increase your digital product sales, you want to make sure that Pinterest is one of your introvert friendly platforms. Pinterest is perfect for SEO, which is search engine optimization. So if somebody types in or Google or something related to your digital product and you've linked your digital product on Pinterest, this will drive a lot of human traffic directly to your digital product, and more people are more likely to buy from you. And a platform that's optimized for SEO is so much better because you're not fighting with the algorithm for your post to be seen and you're not worrying about going viral. The other way of making money online as an introvert is through email automation. Previously, when I would post content and somebody would engage, I would manually follow up by DMing them, trying to convert them to join my waiting list. Not only was it time consuming and exhausting, it honestly felt a little desperate. Now, when somebody joins my email list, they automatically get a sequence of email where I'm sharing my story, my philosophy, and my offers without me having to be present. They sound like me, they're in my own voice, not just another cold marketing email that you're likely to get from a fashion brand. Instead of having to only rely on social media for marketing and sales, you want to create a back-end system that does the nurturing, the marketing, and the selling for you. You can build funnels using GoHighLevel, where you can create a path for someone to go from I just discovered you to I want to buy from you, where people see your content, they click your link to go on your beautiful landing page that's speaking directly to them, they sign up to your email list or to your free product, they get nurtured, and then they buy from you, all without you manually directing anyone. That's what attract, don't chase looks like in practice. Your funnel is attracting potential clients on your behalf. The next way I make money online as an introvert is through brand deals. And when I say this, people usually respond with, well, I don't want to be an influencer. That means that I have to have a high following or be posting constantly, which couldn't be further from the truth. I consider myself to be a hybrid. I'm a business owner and a content creator, because regardless of what you're using social media for, even if it's just a vehicle to your business, you are still creating content, which makes you a content creator. Instead of viewing yourself as an influencer, view yourself as an influential person who creates content and is able to leverage that to create multiple streams of income, including brand deals. You don't have to have a lot of followers or have thousands of views in order for you to attract a brand deal. It's about what you talk about, how you talk about it, and how you share your perspective that will make you stand stand out and for brands to want to work with you. One thing that makes my life so much easier when posting on social media as an introvert is content batching and scheduling. I might be visible 4 to 5 times a week on Instagram or once a week on YouTube, but I'm not sitting there manually posting every single day or every single week. My posts are published while I'm busy with my daughter, I'm cleaning, I'm doing the school run, or I'm in a coaching session. So once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on what's going on in my life, I dedicate a day to create a lot of content for my YouTube and also for short form content. I then dedicate another day for editing that content and then another day for optimizing that content. That's the captions, the cover image, the thumbnail for YouTube, the description box, and I also schedule all my content on the same day. All of these streams of income and systems are going to create a business that runs 24/7 without you having to be constantly on. A business that attracts opportunities and potential clients. A business that feels feminine, soft, and cozy. That's what it means to get paid to be you, how you think, and not how many hours you work. So if you're a shy introvert who wants to make money online, try GoHighLevel for yourself with my special link in the description box for a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days. There is no commitment whatsoever, just an option to be able to test it out and see if it suits you, your business, and your lifestyle. Like this video if you want to see more videos on femininity and money. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, lovelies.